Kim and Kingsley were best friends who loved doing everything together, riding bikes, playing soccer, and especially eating delicious food. But there was one problem. Neither of them knew how to prepare lunch. One sunny Saturday, Kim's mom said, "Today, you two will make your own lunch." Kim's eyes widened. "But I don't know how." Kingsley scratched his head. "Me neither." Kim's mom smiled. "That's why I'm here to guide you. Cooking is fun and important. Now, let's get started." Step 1. Washing hands and choosing ingredients. First, Kim and Kingsley washed their hands with soap and water. Clean hands make clean food. Kim's mom reminded them. Then, they opened the fridge and looked at the ingredients. "We'll make a simple sandwich with a fruit salad," she said. Kim grabbed some bread, cheese, and lettuce. Kingsley picked out tomatoes and a slice of chicken. Step 2. Assembling the sandwich. Kim placed a slice of bread on a plate and spread some butter on it. "Now, the lettuce goes first," she said proudly. Kingsley added the chicken and cheese. "And now the tomato slices." They carefully placed another slice of bread on top and pressed it gently. Ta-da! A perfect sandwich. Kim cheered. Step 3. Making a fruit salad. Next, they washed some fruits, apples, bananas, and grapes. Kim carefully cut the banana into slices while Kingsley chopped the apple into tiny cubes. "This is fun," he said. They mixed everything in a bowl and added a squeeze of orange juice for extra flavor. Step 4. Setting the table. Kim's mom handed them plates, cups, and napkins. "A nice table makes the meal even better," she said. They placed their sandwiches on plates, poured some juice into their cups, and set everything neatly on the table. Step 5. Enjoying the meal. Finally, they sat down and took a big bite of their sandwiches. This tastes amazing," Kingsley said. Kim nodded. "And we made it ourselves." Kim's mom clapped. "Great job, chefs. Now, who wants to help clean up?" Kim and Kingsley laughed. "We do." From that day on, they loved preparing lunch, and they learned that making food wasn't just about eating, it was about fun, teamwork, and taking care of themselves. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.